In this video, I'll be showing you how to add text behind objects in Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you want to do is you want to open up Premiere Pro. Now, once it's open, just open up the project that you want to do this on. So once you have your clip, let's say it's this one right here, which is a freeze frame from Fortnite. All I want to do is I want to make a text layer right above it. So we can just put this as, let's say I wanted to just do it as Fortnite. I can select it, go over to effect controls. You're going to see your text over here and you can use whatever font you want, whatever size, and just make it however you want to. So we're going to scale this up a lot. Then once you have, just position it however you want to as well. You can centralize it as well if you want to. So right now, as you can see, it's above my video layer. Now, all I want to do is I want to duplicate my video layer. So to do this, all I have to do is hold Alt, go over to my default video layer, and I can make a new one just by putting it above the text. And right now, obviously, I am not able to see the text. So now all I want to do is I want to go over here and I want to go over to key. Next thing I want to do is I want to press color key right here and I want to drag it over my video file. Then you're going to go over to your effect controls. You're going to see the little pen dropper icon and select the background. Once I've selected the background, I can then change my color tolerance. And as you can see, Fortnite is now showing up in the background. It's now showing up behind the bunker, but in front of the character. And you can also change the edge thin if you want to, change some settings around, edge feather as well. And, the more you adjust your color tolerance, your edge thin and your edge feather, you can make it look perfect for whatever text you want. And obviously for whatever background you want. So for example, if you're using a real world clip, let's say you're doing this on something like a building, it's going to work exactly the same, if not better than you doing it on a game.